Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're plunging into a world, a world often shrouded in a bit of mystery. How to truly connect with and attract ultra-high net worth individuals, or UHNWIs,
Hmm.
especially in an investment landscape that's, constantly shifting beneath our feet.
It really is.
So our mission for this deep dive is to unpack the insights and strategies from this really fascinating source, attracting elite investors, cause, digital, and crypto strategies.
Yeah, it offers a pretty unique window, doesn't it?
It really does. Into the minds of these, hugely influential investors. We're going to explore this compelling blend of concepts like how social purpose, cutting-edge technology, and even the seemingly wild world of cryptocurrency.
Right.
They aren't just trends anymore, are they? They seem to be fundamental forces reshaping how elite wealth is managed and deployed.
Absolutely fundamental.
So, okay, let's begin to unravel what truly captivates these pivotal forces shaping global investment.
Let's do it.
But before we dive into the how, maybe let's just clarify the who. What really defines a UHNWI? And what makes their investment approach so distinct from, say, a typical high net worth individual or even traditional institutional investors?
Yeah, that's a great question to start with because, UHNWIs are far more than just wealthy. They are a truly pivotal force in global finance.
Okay.
They possess unique financial profiles, often with really complex asset structures, but maybe more importantly, they operate with a highly strategic, very long-term mindset.
Long term, right.
And they also have this strong preference for exclusivity, for bespoke solutions,
Mhm.
which means, well, you just can't approach them with a one-size-fits-all strategy.
Makes sense.
And our source really emphasizes this. It particularly highlights Dr. Pooyan Ghamari, the Swiss economist, founder of the ALN platform.
Hmm.
Dr. Ghamari really champions the transformative power of aligning investment opportunities with deeply held values, specifically through cause-related marketing and advanced digital innovations. That's how you appeal to this discerning group.
That distinction really clarifies things. They're looking for something beyond just the numbers.
Exactly.
So, okay, here's where it gets really interesting. Let's talk about connecting investment with a cause. This isn't just about philanthropy in the old sense, is it? Why is cause-related marketing so incredibly powerful for this particular group?
Right, exactly. It's definitely not philanthropy in the traditional sense.
Mhm.
Today's UHNWIs are seeking more than just financial returns. They want purpose-driven engagement.
Purpose-driven.
Think of it as investing with a conscience, perhaps, but one that still drives significant economic value. Research consistently shows that when a brand genuinely, authentically aligns with a social cause, it dramatically elevates its perception.
Okay.
It merges social responsibility with economic value, creating this really powerful synergy. When companies authentically weave societal impact into their core narrative, they don't just gain customers, they earn disproportionate loyalty, enhance consumer confidence, and secure a much higher level of investor trust.
Higher trust. Okay.
And this effect seems amplified because UHNWIs, maybe more than any other group, are increasingly prioritizing sustainable, ethical, and, forward-looking ventures.
Right, that makes sense given their long-term view you mentioned.
Precisely. And if you're wondering, okay, but does this actually translate into measurable financial benefits? Well, the data is quite compelling.
I was wondering that.
Yeah, economic models actually illustrate that socially conscious branding significantly reduces perceived risk, which is huge for these investors, right?
Uh-huh.
And generates long-term shareholder value.
Reduces risk. Interesting.
And our source gives a specific example. ALAN's own data analytics consistently show a strong correlation between cause-aligned initiatives and improved brand equity metrics.
But there's data linkage.
Direct linkage. This translates directly into measurable shifts in ROI, return on investment. We're seeing real-world scenarios where leading global firms, the ones leveraging cause-related campaigns, are reporting upticks in bulk investments from UHNWIs by up to 25%.
Wow, 25%. That's a significant number, definitely.
It's massive, and it comes hand in hand with a noticeable increase in brand engagement indexes, too. It's truly a win-win situation.
Yeah, that 25% really underscores that this isn't just some, feel-good add-on. It's a core strategy.
Absolutely core.
So, okay, if purpose is central, how does technology and digital transformation fit into attracting these elite investors? Where does that come in?
Digital transformation is absolutely crucial here. Dr. Ghamari's leadership in this space, particularly with his ALAN platform, it provides a perfect illustration.
Okay, Ayland.
So Alan offers these proprietary software tools. You can think of them as highly specialized digital platforms that enable tailored cause marketing strategies.
Tailored, right.
This means they can seamlessly integrate an investor's personal values with a company's digital branding and investment opportunities. Now, the crucial part for UHNWIs is that this digital alignment allows them to track both financial performance and the impact metrics of their investment.
Both sides.
Both sides, often in real time. And this dual transparency is key. It reinforces both their commitment, to the cause and their confidence in the actual investment. It effectively bridges that gap between profit and purpose.
That's a fascinating link, the ability to actually see the impact alongside the profit.
Exactly.
And the source mentions a specific example that really seems to bring together technology, finance, and this sort of innovative approach. Can you tell us about EE Gold? What makes it unique, especially for the UHNWI?
Yeah, eGold is a prime example of where these worlds converge. It's a cryptocurrency, fundamentally, but one that innovates the traditional gold market.
Okay, crypto and gold.
Right. It offers a completely new avenue for UHNWIs to diversify their portfolios. But the real insight here isn't just diversification. It's how it offers UHNWIs the digital transparency and liquidity of crypto. But combined with the tangible historical security of gold, it basically tokenizes gold-backed assets.
Tokenized, so like digital representation.
Exactly. Converting rights to real-world gold into digital tokens on a blockchain. This provides transparent, liquid, and secure investment mechanisms. So for elite investors seeking innovative alternatives beyond, conventional markets, something offering both stability and that cutting-edge tech-forward growth.
Best of both worlds, sort of.
Kind of, yeah. EE Gold presents a compelling solution, and this crypto integration, it perfectly exemplifies how technology and cause-based branding can intersect to meet the highly sophisticated demands of today's UHNWIs.
So thinking about all this, what does it all mean for you listening in, someone who's curious about this evolving world of elite finance?
Yeah, what's the takeaway?
It seems clear from our deep dive that attracting ultra-high net worth individuals today is, well, it's no longer just about optimizing financial returns, is it?
Not at all.
It's become this sophisticated, multifaceted approach that really blends purpose, cutting-edge digital innovation, and even embraces new asset classes like cryptocurrency.
And looking at the wider implications, the insights from this source, they reveal a pretty significant shift in the investment world overall. Value is increasingly defined not just by profit, but by impact, by transparency, and by technological advancement.
A real shift in defining value.
It really is. And this truly raises an important question, I think, for all of us. If ultra-high net worth individuals are right at the forefront, prioritizing investments that align with causes and leverage these cutting-edge digital and crypto solutions, what does this signal for the future direction of investment and wealth management on a broader scale, far beyond just the elite?
That's a powerful thought to leave you with. Definitely gives us all something to consider about where the financial landscape might be heading. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive as we continue to explore these really evolving connections between finance, purpose, and technology.